The young people of today are more accepting of everything, including their sexual lives. People back then respected their social status and were preservationists. If sex education is included in the school at this point, it will have a significant influence because it can teach young people how to appreciate who they are, have healthy relationships, and make educated decisions. According to my research, the number of adolescent pregnancies in the Philippines has increased to 35%, indicating that more implementation of sex education is necessary to reduce this rate. Sex education helps young people steer clear of situations where they might become young parents, and also in order for them to concentrate on living their lives without having to worry about their child or children. In particular, it can also aid in preventing sexually transmitted diseases or STDs, and also child sex abuse. It is crucial that young people take it because it will provide them with the lifelong knowledge and skills necessary to maintain good relationships. Now, let's talk about Sweden, a country that has embraced sex education. Statistics shows that Sweden, a country well known for sex education, has a much lower rate of teenage pregnancies and sexually transmitted infections than the United States. The youth gain discipline and awareness of various topics from it. Therefore, in my opinion, the Philippines ought to implement it as the number of adolescent pregnancies is rising each year, and they ought to give it some thought. Additionally, it can aid in the students' development of control, discipline, and sensitivity. Personally, I'll be in favor of it in the same way as I'm in favor of bringing back the ROTC.